Yeah, now we are on the Astoria Park. Astoria Park, yep. And on the top is the Tribal Bridge. Let's go. New York City, Queens, and this is one of the very famous park, and you can swim here free of charge. And this is a very big park. So we're going to walk by the East River. So this is the river right here. And somebody is playing the basketball here. You can play basketball too here. See? Yeah guys, this is the Tribal Bridge, and we are side by the East River. Wow, very nice. Look, so this bridge is very famous in the New York City, which connects to the three boroughs, which is the Manhattan, Queens, and the Bronx. Very famous bridge. And the other bridge you see that the Metro North train goes here. Metro North, which goes to upstate New York. Okay, so this is a bridge. You see? Oh my God! You see the way how they're building? My goodness! Oh my God! I really don't know how they're building. You see, it's very big, huge. Look at it. My goodness! This is how they're building. My God! Freedom, Statue of the Liberty. You see, this is the Manhattan view from here. Snake Chan is called YY from Nepal. This is very good, very delicious. It's very very delicious. So I'm gonna set it up now. So this is the oil, and this one is the masala. Yeah, that's much it. And spice is optional, you see. So we don't want to eat spices, so just we skip it. And you need to a little bit shake it, mix well, and good to go. It's good to eat now. See, look at here. Yummy, yummy.
Oh, yeah.
You can find no more in the United States. Only some grocery have it. Unless you go to Nepal and India, and you can bring it with you, you know. So make sure bring me one next time, okay? If somebody coming from India, Nepal, and Bhutan, and bring me one, and let me know. I come to pick up.